Sarah, Nora, I think I found the answer to my problem. Do you guys think this is legit?
Seems a little sketchy to me.
Oh no, nothing works. My boobs are never gonna get any bigger.
Oh, cheer up, Kelly. You're not alone feeling like that. My cousin Trinity once tried stuffing tissues in her bra, which worked okay until she got pushed in the pool.
And my sister tried hanging upside down for 2 hours straight to see if gravity would help, but all she got was a headache.
You know, we constantly see messages in the media that bigger means better, or at least more attractive, but that's just not true. Some people are attracted to bigger breasts, and there's plenty of people who are attracted to people with smaller breasts. But it doesn't matter so much, because in the long run, people are really attracted to who you are as a person.
Think of it this way. Bigger eyes or ears wouldn't help you see or hear any better, and just like eyes or ears, boobs come in a lot of different shapes and sizes, depending on the genes passed down from your family. They're just one part of what makes you uniquely you.
I know you're right, but I still sort of wish there was something I could do about these mosquito bites, as my aunt called them. Ugh.
Because of that bigger is better crap, some companies make money on products that claim can make your boobs bigger, but none of them really work.
The only way boobs can be permanently changed is through some type of plastic surgery. Some people get surgery to make them larger and others to make them smaller, whether to look different or to relieve the pain from having really big ones.
Ugh, well, I guess a boobicizer wouldn't work anyway, but I still feel a little self-conscious about them.
I used to feel the same way, and still do sometimes. There can be a lot of focus on breast size. A lot of people feel weird or anxious about their breasts being bigger or smaller than their friends, or about getting additional looks or attention. Although these feelings can be stressful, they're a very normal part of growing up.
But if someone is making comments about a person's boobs that are unwanted or make a person feel uncomfortable, that is called sexual harassment, and it's not okay. If this happens, it's important to tell a trusted adult so they can help you.
The most important thing to remember is whether you have big breasts, little breasts, or no breasts at all, you are unique and totally cool just the way you are.
Thanks. Now that you mention it, I am pretty totally cool, actually. For example, I can do this. Break it down. Woo!
Totally cool.